Welcome to TDS Online Maths. All right. Now let's see how we can solve this question on the board. We are given 1 on the x root of 49 minus 1 on the x root of 7 equals to 20. Now, if we get started, let's understand this. So when we are given the n root of t, okay, this one is the same as t exponent 1 on n. So this one and that, they are the same. Okay. Now we can rewrite this one as, so let me write the solution first. Can we write this one as 1 on, okay, 49 exponent 1 on x, okay, minus, we have another one here, 1 on 7 exponent 1 on x. Okay, now let's understand something. Equals 20. Now we have 1 over x here, 1 over x here, okay? So I would like to bring this power up, okay? Now, in a sense that 1 on, let's say, 5 to the power of, let's say, x, okay? Remember, this one is the same as 1 over 5 or to the power of x. Yeah, we have that. So this one is the same as 1 over 49 all raised to 1 over x minus, and this side is the same as 1 over 7 all raised to 1 over x. Okay, that's that. So this one, and going back will give you this. So this one going back will give you that. So we have done nothing here. All right. Now let's observe this carefully. Okay. Now let's work this. We have 7 here, and 7 squared is 49. So let's change this one as 1 on 7 squared all raised to 1 on x minus 1 on 7 all raised to 1 on x equals to 20. Okay, we have this information here. Now understand that this one can be out here. Okay, it's like saying 1 over 7 squared all raised to this m. So this one can be up here. That would be 1 over 7 all raised to 2. And to multiply the m here, that will be 2m. So we can do same here. Okay. And that will be, have 1 on 7. Okay. And we have 2 out times 1 over x minus 1 over 7 raised to 1 on x equals to 20. Now there is something in common here. Okay, 1 over 7 we have, okay, 1 over x, 1 over 7, 1 over x. So we can rewrite this one as 1 over 7, okay, raised to 1 over x, or squared the 2 here, okay, and going back 2 times this, we get this, minus 1 on 7 raised to 1 on x equals to 20. So you could see that we have this in common here. So let's take them out. So we have this and that. So let y be 1 on 7 raised to 1 on x. Okay. Alright, so in going back, this side will be, if I put y here, this one will be squared. We have another one, okay, equals to 20. And this one is a quadratic, okay. So let's arrange it and solve it. Y squared minus y minus 20 equals to 0. So we have minus 20. So 1 times minus 20 is minus 20. So we have minus 20 here. Let's look for two numbers which are factors of this. When we multiply them, we get this minus 20. But when we add, we will get coefficient of y, that is negative 1. And I think that will be minus 5 and 4. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. Minus 5 times 4 is minus 20. So we are free to go. So we have y squared. So y, okay, minus 5y plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. All right, so from here, we have y out, okay, then y minus 5. And we have plus 4 out, y minus 5 equal to 0. So this time that you get this time that you get that. So the coefficients, y plus 4 and the bracket, which are the same, we pick one. All right, so we have y plus 4 equal to 0, and then y minus 5 equal to 0. So we have y equals to minus 4 or 5. All right, so let's see how we can conclude this, okay? So we said, let y be that, okay? And we have y equals to minus 4 and y equals to 5. So let's start with this. So y equals to 1 over 7 raised to 1 over x. Now let's take log on both sides as we bring this one down. So we have log y equals to log 1 on 7 raised to 1 on x. So this one is a power rule. So under logarithm, log a raised to 1 on n. So that is 1 on n log a. And we have similar one here. So 1 over x will come behind. Okay, so we have log y equals to 1 over x log 1 over 7. All right, now having log y here, if you want to do the substitution, remember our answer here can't contain negative number because you can't take log of a negative number. So this one is out. Negative 4 here is out. So we can only substitute the 5 here, okay? All right, now if I divide both sides by log 1 over 7, I'll do same here, log 1 on 7, okay? And this one will be, this one is gone. We have 1 over x equals to, so let's do the substitution. Let's put 5 there. That will be log 5 on log 1 on 7. So we have that, okay? Now from here, we can manipulate this one, okay? And that will be 1 over x. So this side is the same as, when we have this over that, the same as log 5 to base 1 over 7. Following this rule, log a over log b, that will be log A to base B. So this following this rule. Okay. Now, from here, we can say 1 on, okay, if you want to solve for x, you have 1 over x here. So it's the same as 1 on log 5 to base 1 on 7 equals x. So understand that 1 over that will give us this, okay? And the same as, so this one is the same as, the final answer will be, so we have x equals to log 1 over 7 to base 5. And we can still manipulate this. Now we can say x equals to, now this one is the same as log 7 raised minus 1 to 5, and this one will come behind. My x is minus log 7 to base 5. So there's the final answer. All right, so follow for more. Okay.